The research school has been successful. It was more than expected. It was the first research school of Albatross, where we prepared for a long time thanks to the establishment of the training board. We had more than 75 applicants and we selected the most brilliant.
It was really eye-opening for me because I was able to connect the science of climate services and what the community actually experienced on the ground with the lectures and also the field trip to Keta. For example, when I talk to farmers in Keta, they notice the change in rainfall, but they don't notice the salt's intrusion in the soil.
The students, the consortium, the lecturers could understand the reality of that hub and then try to connect the theoretical thinking with the real needs.
And I think that for me, as a young woman in early career research, it's been a great opportunity. So for what I learned from the professors, I was particularly interested in the ecosystem-based assessment, which is used to help other communities to recover from impacts of coastal flooding and impacts of other environmentally degrading activities that humans ourselves actually contribute to. But we also did learn one key important thing, which is that nature-based solutions alone cannot stand. We have to collaborate with engineering, we have to collaborate with climate science, and also use other tools to ensure that we are actually getting the maximum out of what we are learning, out of the research and out of our output. We also need to consider what the communities need, and so we cannot do all of these on our own, but we have to co-produce and share knowledge between ourselves and the communities, and that is how we are going to be able to solve most of the problems that come or arise from climate change.
The research school has been interesting mainly because of the variety of participants that we have coming from different organizations and at different levels of training. They are very happy, they are very glad they've attended. Participants seem very engaged, they've been very busy. Sometimes when it's time to close, they don't close, they continue working, which is a good sign for me that there's a level of commitment and interest there.
I actually still have to go back to my lectures because I have them on my drive and yeah, it was intense, but it was quite interesting and eye-opening for me.
There were lots of discussion. They had 2 days to prepare a group work that was a project on climate adaptation using nature-based solutions and climate services.
So just to say, it was very tough, very close between some of the teams, but the team that got all the support from all judges, no dissension, and got the highest vote overall, yeah!